The Diana Awards have teamed up with Head & Shoulders with their Free the Shoulders campaign.
They aim to educate 1 million young people, parents and adults, on how to fight all forms of bullying.
Together, we can stand to fight against bullying.
1 in 3 teenagers are bullied, and those with dandruff are twice as likely to be among them. So the workshops that the Diana Award runs helps both raise their self-esteem and also enable really powerful conversations, which can help break down stigmas around things like dandruff that are completely normal, but are unfortunately sometimes a source of bullying.
I found that I could open myself up more to teachers and tell them how I feel and my personal experiences, because I felt that I opened up to Mr. Ash about my past bullyings that I might not have opened up to others about.
Head & Shoulders and the Diana Award are a good partnership because we align on our values of wanting to drive change in our society. Our joint mission with this campaign is to boost self-esteem and help young people feel more confident if they are being bullied.
By tackling appearance-based bullying, not only does it get rid of a hierarchy based on appearance and what good looks someone has, it improves the personal well-being of multiple individuals without damaging anyone else in the process.
Probably the biggest achievement and standout has been hitting that target. To have that trust and that partnership from Head & Shoulders and working with the team, we achieved something big actually. And so it's really something that we're all very proud of at the Diana Award.
My vision for the Free the Shoulders partnership has always been to reach over 1 million young people, parents and carers in the UK. Now that we've hit that goal, we really need to raise the bar. We need to double the goal and think about how we can reach more diverse populations around the UK. As we look to the next steps of the partnership, I'm so excited for what we can do together.